Throwing knives isn't just a hobby, as the act of cleverly stabbing sharp steel wounds is considered by many to be an art form. And the best throwing knives reflect the philosophy with finely crafted steel and finely balanced blades. Knife throwing is the act of propelling a knife in such a way that it hits and pierces the target being aimed at. These throwing knives are excellent for recreational target games, but they can also be used more seriously as part of hunting days, camping trips, magic acts, combat, or to kit out your survival backpack. These are truly versatile items, which is why men all over the globe are getting sets of these great knives for various purposes. In your bid to master the art of knife throwing, you need to equip yourself with the best throwing knife according to your skill level. To help you get started, we have collected the 5 best throwing knives on the market.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
The Smith & Wesson pack of 6 throwing knives could be the ideal way for you and the guys to start the bi-weekly competition. This knife's dual edge points are sharp, and the aerodynamics of the blade and handle make it accurate and effective throwing knife for competition, hunting, and self-defense. Also, the knives are well balanced, easy to throw, and their small size makes them awesome for practicing. They have a single-piece construction made of high carbon steel that ensures durability. Also, the good thing about the knives is that they do not break easily because the steel used is 2CR13. The total knife measures 8 by 1.5 by 0.25 inches with an individual weight of 4.7 ounces. Additionally, these 6 knives are supplied with an accompanying sheath. This sheath is made from nylon and delivers amazing protection to all 6 of your throwing knives without becoming bulky and heavy. Furthermore, the sheath is specifically designed to be attached to your belt for quick and easy access to your knives at all times. However, with good balance and solid throwing control, these throwers will feel superb in your hands. Plus, these knives are suitable for the newbie thrower, the professional competitor, or just the collector. So considering all the features and functionalities, these knives will be worth every penny. The SZCO Throwing Knives 3-pack set is yet another highly rated and praised knife throwing set by users. This knife is ideal for professional use. SZCO brings 3 cool throwing knives to the table, all of which come with a separate nylon sheath. The sheath is secure using Velcro closures and can be attached to a belt like a tactical belt using the accompanying belt loop. These throwing knives could simply be considered as tactical knives to save your bacon on the battlefield. This knife's blade measures 4.4 inches long with an overall length of 10 inches, which makes this knife larger, and it weighs 19.6 ounces. You'll quickly notice that it is a well-balanced Full-Tang knife. Also, these Full-Tang knives consist of 420 stainless steel with a hard-cased black finish for a combination of strength and corrosion resistance. This means that these knives won't rust and will sharpen easily to suit your needs. Moreover, they have been wrapped in textured and lightweight paracord. Plus, for the knife throwing purists, this paracord can be easily removed to accommodate different gripping styles. Overall, this knife set will accommodate the needs of the beginner as well as those of the seasoned athlete, and it will be practical for everyday use. The BladesUSA Perfectpoint RC1793B throwing knife set is not only the most affordable, but it is also an incredibly durable and impressive choice. This set comes with 3 well-built knives that deliver a balanced throw. Each knife has a single-piece construction made of stainless steel that ensures superb strength and durability. Also, the black coating all over the body and the printed spider for decoration provides it a premium appearance. The handles have been shaped to specifically accommodate a range of grip preferences. The handles also have a cutout at the end to attach a ribbon for competition play. This knife's overall length is 8 inches. They have black blades with sharpened edges and sides. Measuring 6 by 1 by 1 inches, these knives have a spear point blade shape and are perfect for experienced knife throwers. In addition, each set of throwing knives comes with a heavy-duty nylon sheath that accommodates all 3 knives in the set. And this is the ideal way of keeping your throwing knives safe during transporting and storing them. Moreover, the sheath fastens together using Velcro to combine reliable fastening with efficient access. The sheath even has a belt loop to allow you to keep your knives close by when it matters the most. Despite providing quality and strength, this knife set comes at an affordable price. Plus, it is an excellent pick for anyone who is into knife throwing, no matter if they are an amateur or a pro. The Full-Tang expendable throwing knife set from SZCO Supplies is one of the best knife throwers with a sleek design and balanced throw. Each knife measures 10 inches with the entire set carrying 3 knives. Each one sports an ergonomic design that is simple to grip and throw, while the design's balance places the knife's center of mass right in the middle where it belongs. Also, these knives measure 10 inches long with a 2.75-inch spear blade and a 7.25-inch handle. These knives have a complete stainless steel build from blade tip to handle butt, making them durable and long-lasting. Moreover, constructed with tough stainless steel, these knives were built to last with the head thickness of 2mm and a 4mm base. Plus, the black nylon sheath with its Velcro strap makes for easy storage, yet the lanyard holes on each knife deliver an additional option for creative types. So, if you're looking for the perfect beginner throwing knife, then the SZCO Supplies heavy throwing knife set will be the best bet for you. The Perfectpoint PP0609 throwing knife set comes with 9 small knives. The knives are very nice and the price is terrific. Each of these knives has an outstanding appearance with sleek black blades and comfortable handles wrapped with red strings. Also, these knives are made of stainless steel, which guarantees sturdiness and durability. However, these throwing knives are a wonderful choice for both beginners and professional users. Being well balanced, these knives provide a steady throw every time. In addition, the pointy tips ensure great penetration in the target, which means that they will undoubtedly stick to the target every time. And the edges of the blades are semi-sharp and built with safety in mind as well. Furthermore, this set comes with a nylon sheath big enough to carry all of the 9 throwers. All in all, these throwing knives are fun to use and come at an affordable price. So if you're starting out as a knife thrower and looking for an attractive budget-friendly set to practice with, then this knife set will be the best bet for you.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.